Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cash to your Cashapp application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Cashapp application and use your PIN if you need to in order to log into your account. Once you log in, you will be taken to this home page where you can simply type your requested amount and then tap on the request button in order to receive it from your linked account. Just search for your contact and tap on the request button at the top right corner. You can also add cash from your linked bank account or your card by tapping on the home button at the bottom left corner. Then you can simply tap on the add cash button and you will be asked how much you want to add. Simply select your desired amount or type it in and then tap on the add button. You will then be asked to confirm your Cashapp PIN, and then if you haven't added your debit card already, you will be asked to link your debit card. Simply enter your debit card number followed by your expiration date, your 3-digit CVV number, and your zip code. After you have linked your card, you will be able to add your cash to your Cashapp application directly from your card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add cash to your Cashapp application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.